Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to discuss about destructuring in ES6. Destructuring is a convenient way to extract data from arrays and objects in JavaScript. So in this video, I will show you how to use destructuring with an array and an object in ES6. Before writing a code, let's illustrate destructuring. We will make a sandwich. Do you take everything out of the fridge to make your sandwich? No. You only take out the items you would like to use on your sandwich. Destructuring is exactly the same. We may have an array or object that we are working with, but we only need some of the items contained in these. Destructuring make it easy to extract only what is needed. So let's create an example on this. I'm again going to commit this and write a code. So I create a demo here before ES6. Let's take an example. I have written an array of humans. It contains male, female, and others. On index 0, it is male, and on 1, it is female, and 2, it's let's check it out. Console.log, and I write male. So you can see here we get the output right. So this is how we are working with the old pattern of destructuring. But now with a new pattern, what will happen? Here the new way of assigning array items to a variable. So after ES6, how we will write the code? I'm just going to commit it. So you can see here male, female, and others. I do not need to pass every item one by one. Whatever I need from this array, I will write on this on their same index. So let's assume. So you can see here we get the output. So let's assume I do not want female. So in this case, first is male, second is female. So I didn't pass. I pass it as a empty, and the third is others. So if I pass the female here, it will throw an error because female is not defined in our array. This is how destructing is working. Whatever we need to required from an array or an object, we will only get that. This is how destructing is working in a real world examples. So this is the example of arrays. Now I'm going to work with the objects. So let's quickly show you demo of objects. Before ES6, how we are writing the code. So let's take an example. This is object of student. Name, father name, age. Okay, this is student object. And if I pass this object to this method, get student detail. Here you can see I write student dot name, student dot father name, and so on. If I need to access the property of student dot age, so what I will write? I will write student dot age, and so on. If I need to access email, I will write the object name and dot get the properties. This is an old way of writing that I will get the values from object. If I need only email, I will write student dot email. But after the ES6, the code is quite different. Now what we will do in after ES6, you can see here the items which I need, I will use only those and rest I will not use. Like in this example, I have student name, father name, age, and email. But here I do not want to use all the fields of the object. I pass the object student, but here on the parameter, I'm only using name and father name. So this is how we are going to use the fields, get the fields from an object student. So It's very easy and simple. Destructuring is one of the main feature of the ES6. We can easily extract the only data which we need uh, for our work. Thank you guys. Hope you are enjoying these videos and learning a lot. In my next video, I will explain more about the ES6 topics. Uh, till then, thank you.